What is sustainable river restoration? Today, river restoration is not seen as restoring a river to the way it used to be, but instead, it's about restoring a river's ecological function. On the Housatonic River, PCB wastes poison species and limits biodiversity. Dams fragment habitat. Stream channelization decreases nutrient cycling and water quality. Unmanaged stormwater leads to flood surges and riverbank erosion. The Housatonic River needs a comprehensive plan towards building sustainability. The remediation of PCBs must be positioned within a larger framework and networked with long-term river restoration projects.